Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Break Time. This here is the Lego Disney Princess Ultimate Adventure Castle. 698 pieces, $180 here in Australia, but I bought it for $105 in Myer on sale. So I was able to afford it. Woohoo! And we get 5 gorgeous princesses here. Taking a look at the back and oh wow, looks like each princess gets her room. That's exciting. Oh, I think I can't wait to build this one. So let's open it up and see what's inside. What have we got in here? 6 bags I'm pretty sure we get. We get these two 8x16s. Yep, 6 numbered bags. And the instructions, I love how they're putting it into these sleeves to protect the instructions. And oh, 2 sticker sheets. Let's take a look. We get 5 bedspreads there, and I love these portraits of the princesses. We got hair that's down in some of them, so an updo and a downdo. And oh, there's Eugene's wanted poster. These look really nice. And it looks like we get quite a few instructions in here. So Ariel section, there's a section there, Tiana. Oh, so we get 6 instructions and 6 bags, so you can build with friends or your family. That's fun. And Rapunzel's one's a really big booklet. What have we got here? Oh, it shows you how the castle looks like when it gets put together. All right. Oh, Lego, you've done well with this one. Alrighty, let's build. Ariel's up first. Oh my goodness, love this dress. It's like teal and aqua color, and there's like beautiful sparkles at the back. Love the shell at the front. Same hair we've seen before. And she needs her sidekick, Sebastian. He's looking so good. I've got Poppy over there. And Princess Tiana. I don't have one of these, so I'm so happy getting one. And check out the detail on her dress. Sparkles at the back too, and her jewelry is just stunning. Love her hair, her makeup. She is divine. And we get a little cat here, Marcel. So cute. And my daughter wants to steal that one, so I've got to put it over here so she doesn't take it. Yep, everyone stand up and get ready. Come on, Sebastian, and get ready to see Moana. Love Moana's new outfit that we get here. Her amulet there. And that printing on the back is so detailed. I really like it. We got dark brown hair for her this time. So this is the Moana that I had before. So she's slightly different. She looks a little bit darker skin tone there on the legs. Both beautiful. I wonder why they changed her hair. It doesn't bother me. I get 2 different ones. They could be sisters in my city. So I love the new Moana. Of course, she needs her pet pig, Pua. So cute. I love that little piggy. We'll put you over there. And we have Snow White. Gorgeous dress. Once again, I love how it sparkles. We get the twinkles on the back. Love her red lips. There's her beautiful hair. And this is the one that I had before. So her face has changed a little bit, so she doesn't look so surprised now. The dress is still gorgeous. I love Snow White. Off you go, old Snow White. And we need to hold a little blue bird. Let's get that on you. Oh, so pretty. And Rapunzel. Love her dress. She is not wearing shoes once again. The detailed printing on these are lovely, but hey, where are my twinkles and sparkles on the back? Oh, you missed out, Rapunzel. And we need your best buddy Pascal here. Love his face. He does not look impressed at all. And my cat's inspecting all the animals, and oh, he's stood next to Marcel. The build begins with Ariel's section, and she will have like her little underwater scene and her bedroom above. There is a treasure chest here full of goodies that she's collected over the years. So that goes down there. And now her bedroom section begins. Love the look of her scaly bedspread, and she will have her dingle hopper there too. Ariel's section has finished and it's looking really detailed. She's happy she swam over or flew over. Sebastian's there. Looking good. Now we have the entrance part, so the middle section where you walk into the castle. And I love these portraits. They were a great addition, and I love that they're in the entrance when you walk in. Every ultimate castle needs a big cake, and this one is looking extra delicious. And it's going to be up here and we can spin it round and round. The middle part's done now. That's looking good. Love the colours. And on to bag 3. Now we will be building Tiana's section, so her little kitchen area. Love that sticker, Tiana's place, and we get a little sink and oven. The bedroom part now. Now with this build, I really love that they've done a room for the princess and a bedroom. So there's lots of playtime to do in this castle. Need to pop 2 more flags on here. And here it is. It's all finished. Tiana is happy. She's going to stand up here, and Marcel's going to sit at the top on his bed. Looking good. Now is Moana's section, and I have to say this is my favourite part of the castle. I love her room the most. They have included so much detail here with the stickers and just the builds. You'll see what I mean. I really love it. And her beautiful bedspread there. And a little bongo drum to make lots of music with. Love that she gets a waterfall here and the blue plates up there. We get lots of water. Not sure where the water comes from. There must be a secret tap there. But you know, It's a princess castle and she is going to have a fish here rotating around above the fire. And this tree, this looks awesome. Love that tree piece. So we've got a palm tree up here, giving us some island vibes. Up you go, Moana and Pua. Well, we'll put you down here near the waterfall. Beautiful. Snow White's part's next, and her bedroom is downstairs, and her bedspread's got apples all over it. It's just so gorgeous, and she needs a little lantern there. Love the little curtains with that car piece there. That sticker's awesome, and she gets a little fireplace. So that's going to go here. This is looking so nice. The poisoned, well, it's not poisoned red apple, it's just a red apple, and we get a little clock there. Now I'm building a lock, so this castle you can lock with a key, and I'm sure that's to keep all the Prince Charmings out of here because it's the ultimate princess castle. So we've got to keep all the guys out. Sorry boys. Now up here is the little playground for all the animals. So this is the merry-go-round for them. They're going to be spinning up here and playing. And little birdhouse for Snow White's little bluebird. There's the bluebird. Snow White's sitting down, laying down. No, she's doing some sit-ups. She's doing an ab workout. Last section here. Love that those curved parts are printed, so very nice. And then there's all those stickers in there. Now this is Rapunzel's section, so I am building her tower. Rapunzel loves to paint, so she needs her little painting easel here, and we get a blue paintbrush. Woohoo! It's not green. Finally, another colour. And the poster of Eugene up there, little guitar, and it's done. Oh wow, Rapunzel's tower. We got a sticker up here. She'll be doing some painting with Pascal. Time to join all the builds together. Oh, this is starting to look really nice. It's actually quite large. Didn't realise how big this was going to be. Rapunzel's tower goes up the top and we're all done. Wow. This is looking really nice. So we're going to close it up like this. You can see it's nice and compact as well. So if you need to store it on the shelf. Oh my goodness, it does look very beautiful. Just showing you that's how you close it, and then you use the key to lock it. So there's that locking mechanism and it's all locked. So you get to keep everyone nice and safe inside, and you open it up again. Oh, that's such a great idea. I'm enjoying this party and cooking up a storm. Yeah, I can brush my hair with a fork. Oh, this fish is the best. And I love painting with no guys around. Yeah, and I can eat all the apples I like. I will be filming all of us having a great time. Hey princesses, how's it going? Yeah, we heard some cool tunes here. Hey, where's Cinderella? I can't see her. What are you guys doing here? This is the ultimate princess castle. That means no Prince Charmings allowed. So I'm trying to paint. Oh, and I don't want the 7 dwarves coming here either. Oh man. Oh, I was really liking this party. Oh, come on Rapunzel, you sure we can't stay? No, I want to paint. So you go off to the snuggly duckling, okay? Oh man, I had a dream. Okay, now we've got the party out the way. The animals are having their own spinning round and round. The Lego Disney Ultimate Adventure Castle. Great build, great parts, love those mini dolls. I love the colours of this. It's not too hard to build, and I love that you get 6 bags, 6 instructions, so you can have a whole family building. I wouldn't call it an ultimate adventure castle. There's not much adventure going on, but I get what they were trying to do with this. I really like it. The price is way too expensive, the retail price, but if you get it on sale, definitely worth it. It really surprised me how much I love it. So everyone, get your bricks out.